Hello everyone! Retirement is something we all look forward to, but it can be difficult to make the transition without the necessary financial resources. This is where passive income comes in. It can be an invaluable tool in helping you retire early and build a solid financial future. In this video, we will explore the role of passive income in early retirement, including the various types of passive income, the benefits of pursuing passive income strategies, and how to get started. By understanding the power of passive income, you can take the steps necessary to ensure a comfortable retirement. On this channel, I will discuss the role of passive income in early retirement. Stay tuned and thank you. What is passive income? Passive income is any money you earn without actively having to work for it on a regular basis. Essentially, it's income that requires little effort to maintain once it's set up. This could include rental income, investment income, royalties, or any other type of income that you earn without actively working for it. The beauty of passive income is that it can continue to flow in even when you're not actively working. This means that you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or enjoy leisure activities. In other words, passive income allows you to work smarter, not harder, and enjoy the benefits of financial freedom. One of the key benefits of passive income is that it can help you retire early. Instead of relying solely on a paycheck from a traditional job, passive income can provide you with a steady stream of income that can support your retirement lifestyle. In fact, many early retirees rely heavily on passive income to maintain their financial independence. In the next section, we'll explore how passive income can help you retire early. How can passive income help you retire early? Passive income is income that is earned without actively working for it. This type of income is typically generated through investments, rental properties, or online businesses. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide a steady stream of income without requiring continuous effort. One of the biggest benefits of passive income is that it can help you retire early. Instead of relying on a traditional retirement plan that involves working until age 65 and saving as much money as possible, passive income allows you to start earning money that will continue to grow and accumulate over time. The key to retiring early with passive income is to focus on creating multiple streams of income that will provide enough money to live on. For example, you could invest in dividend stocks, purchase rental properties, or create an online course or ebook that generates income for years to come. By diversifying your passive income sources, you can create a reliable income stream that will continue to grow even as you approach retirement. In addition to providing financial stability, passive income can also help you retire early by allowing you to spend more time doing the things you love. When you no longer have to work a full-time job, you have the freedom to pursue your passions and spend time with your loved ones. This can make retirement a much more enjoyable and fulfilling experience. Overall, the role of passive income in early retirement cannot be overstated. By creating multiple streams of income that continue to grow over time, you can achieve financial freedom and retire early. So start exploring your options for creating passive income today and take the first step towards a more fulfilling retirement. What are some examples of passive income? Passive income is a type of income that is earned without actively working for it. It is a steady stream of income that flows into your bank account regularly with little to no effort on your part. Some examples of passive income include rental income from property you own, royalties from creative works, dividends from stocks and shares, interest from savings accounts, and income from affiliate marketing. One of the most common forms of passive income is rental income. This is when you rent out a property that you own to tenants and receive regular payments from them. This type of income requires an initial investment in the property, but once it is set up, the rental income can provide a steady stream of income for years to come. Another popular form of passive income is earning royalties from creative works such as books, music, or software. This is a great way for artists, musicians, and writers to earn money from their work, even when they are not actively creating new content. Dividends from stocks and shares are another source of passive income. When you invest in a company's shares, you become a part owner of the company and are entitled to a portion of its profits. These profits are paid out in the form of dividends, which can provide a regular income stream. Interest from savings accounts is another type of passive income that can provide a steady income stream. By putting your money in a high-interest savings account, you can earn interest on your money without having to do anything. Finally, income from affiliate marketing is another example of passive income. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales that are made as a result of your promotion. This type of income requires some initial work to set up, but once it is set up, it can provide a steady income stream for years to come. How can you get started with passive income? If you're interested in generating passive income, there are several strategies you can try. 1. Rental income. If you own property, consider renting out a room or the entire property on a platform like Airbnb. Alternatively, you can invest in rental properties and collect monthly rent payments. 2. Dividend stocks. Many companies pay dividends to their shareholders, providing a source of passive income. Look for stocks with a history of consistent and reliable dividend payments. 3. Royalties. If you have a talent or skill that can be monetized, such as writing, music, or art, consider licensing your work for royalties. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products through affiliate marketing. This can be done through your blog or social media channels. 5. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating an online course and selling it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. To get started with passive income, start by identifying your skills, interests, and assets that can be monetized. Research the different strategies available and determine which ones align with your goals and resources. Remember that passive income takes time and effort to set up initially, but can provide financial freedom and flexibility in the long run. Thanks for watching. For more views and updates about the role of passive income in early retirement, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned.